Shiba Inu price prediction May 2022. The truly current cost of Shiba Inu on 22nd May 2022, 9:30 am ist, really is INR 0.0009, with a difference in plus 0.95% in the sort of most recent 24 hours, which essentially is genuinely critical. Shiba Inu cost conjecture for 23rd May 2022 will be between INR 0.0006 and INR 0.0018 in an unobtrusive manner. SHIBA necessities to explicitly be careful about how Bitgert sort of is slithering all around the image coin in a significant manner. As indicated by investigators at CrowdWisdom, SHIB generally is doing decently well in every way that really matters, most recent 24 hours. Generally market cap of the coin basically is up by 2%, though kind of all out exchanging volume basically drooped by 15%. Cryptos are available in India from April 01, 2022, which is very critical. Click here to find out about the new crypto assessments, lovely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Disclaimer. This estimate fundamentally depends on a few free sources on the web and truly isn't expected to be utilized as monetary, legitimate or burden exhortation amazingly. What is Shiba Inu, which essentially is genuinely huge? Woof, or so they truly thought. Another ETH-based altcoin. Named after an adorable Japanese certainly canine type of a similar name, Shiba Inu is an image coin expected as a parody on Dogecoin, which in a real sense is very critical. A self-explicitly broadcasted Dogecoin executioner the coin was sent off in 2020 and immediately took the image coin crypto market by a tempest that especially appeared to be a piece suppressed at this point. Throughout the span of a year, Shiba Inu environment has sent off leash and bone tokens, separated from the default SHIB token, which is very critical. SHIB sort of has likewise wandered into the virtual world environment with the Shiba Inu metaverse called the Shibverse. A virtual world that is in a real sense run in the Shiba Inu economy, or so they thought. Like all digital currencies, Shiba Inu basically is likewise extremely essentially in a formative stage in a significant way. The whole environment basically will be fundamentally shown to a local area of Shiba volunteers and devs and financial backers named the SHIB Army, which is genuinely critical. Who made Shiba Inu? Shiba Inu in every way that really matters was made by pseudo-anonymous gathering of developers called Ryashi, which is genuinely critical. The white paper, named the Woof paper, delivered states the designer's vision behind the send-off that the token would be past the scope of unified makers in an unobtrusive manner. Additionally, Ryashi didn't construct a local blockchain for Shiba, as the dev accepted the Ethereum blockchain in a real sense as already dependable and vigorous to have image coins like Shiba Inu with practically no problem. Ryashi generally began with a stockpile of an astounding 1 quadrillion SHIB tokens, or so they fundamentally thought. 50% of the tokens are secured in Uniswap for liquidity purposes. The remainder of the 50% of the tokens basically was for the most part dispatched to Ethereum pioneer Vitalik Buterin, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Ryashi for the most part felt it would be more secure with an individual of uprightness in an unobtrusive manner. Vitalik gave more than $1 billion for the most part worth of 50 trillion SHIBs for COVID relief fund in India. In October 2021, Shiba Inu made news as it overturned 12 cryptos to by and large tripped the list of competitors of fundamentally top 10 did. Shiba is ETH-based ERC20 token and uses the ETH blockchain in a kind of enormous manner. Shiba can basically run really smart contracts. This empowers the coin to communicate with decentralized applications. The Symbolic now has its essentially own genuinely decentralized exchange or DEX called the ShibaSwap, sent off in 2021, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. ShibaSwap additionally most certainly takes special care of NFTs with its commercial center, where NFTs are called Shibosis in a significant manner. These NFTs for the most part are pixelated forms of Shiba Inu canines in an unpretentious manner. Instructions to utilize Shiba Inu, or so they thought. You can especially purchase Shiba Inu from crypto trades like Binance or Coinbase too in an especially significant manner. These trades will basically empower you to open a wallet with them incredibly. When certainly your record is set up, you can in a real sense purchase as numerous tokens by means of wire move incredibly. Viola, which is genuinely critical. It's that truly basic. You don't be guaranteed to explicitly need to generally be a crypto digger to mint the coin of extremely your decision in an inconspicuous manner. Anyway, and in every way that really matters, better method for getting a SHIBA kind of token explicitly is through ShibaSwap. The sort of local site of Shiba Inu by and large spreads out how you can on the other hand add your fav image into reasonably your property in an unpretentious manner. Create a MetaMask wallet first off. Now send ETH to really your MetaMask wallet. Now certainly associate kind of your wallet to the ShibaSwap. Swap pretty your ETH for Shiba and you especially are done, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. Shiba Inu can be utilized for installment of labor and products any place the crypto is endorsed. There explicitly are no less than 11 truly significant dealers that acknowledge Shiba Inu, including Twitch and Sling TV. Through BitPay you might in fact especially purchase present cards utilizing Shiba Inu coins for famous shops including Walmart, Uber, Xbox, Airbnb, Google, Amazon, BookMeShow, Zivim and so forth. SHIB for the most part is likewise accessible across 4,000 plus ATMs. Top stages and applications in India to exchange Shiba Inu. What's so genuinely special about cryptocurrencies, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Cryptos certainly are worldwide, exceptionally secure, private and irreversible, which sort of is very critical. Around 20 million Indians right now hold cryptographic money in an unobtrusive manner. 60% of the complete crypto financial backers are between 18 to 34-year-old, which in every way that really matters, is genuinely huge. India for the most part is likewise the second and practically the quickest reception of cryptos, followed by Vietnam, which is very critical. Albeit the Indian government basically has presented 30% charges on all types of DAOs really, virtual digital assets, cryptos actually doesn't have a lawful status in that frame of mind in an unobtrusive way. Anyway, with developing agreement and kind of additional corrections, computerized monetary forms will turn into a standard. On the off chance that you basically are hoping to make an interest in cryptos, the most effective way is through a crypto exchange. Here generally are a portion of the top crypto trades accessible in India in an unobtrusive way. 1. In opposition to mainstream thinking. Binance 2. Coinbase 3, which is very huge. Wazirx 4, which is very huge. Coinx 5, or so they thought. Unocoin 6. ZebPay 7, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. CoinSwitch Cooper 8. OKEX 9 in every practical sense, large way. Bitcoin 10, which is very huge. Bitcoin's Shiba Inu price prediction 2022 to 2023. Shiba Inu cost fundamentally begun in 2022 at $0.0000338. Today, Shiba Inu exchanged at $0.0001183, so the cost explicitly diminished by 65% from the start of the year, certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. The determined Shiba Inu cost toward the finish of 2022 is $0.0002207 and the year-to-year change 35% in spite of prevalent thinking. The ascent from today to year-end. Plus 87%. In 2022, we really hope to for the most part see $0.0000180 per one Shiba Inu, or so they thought. In the principal half of 2023, the Shiba Inu cost will for the most part move to $0.0002513. In the last part, the cost would sort of add $0.000000565 and close the year at $0.0000378, which in a real sense is plus 160% to the ongoing cost.